Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sallow. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Her skin looked sallow and tired after staying up all night studying. Sallow means having a yellowish or sickly complexion, often indicating fatigue, illness, or lack of vitality, as in the case of the person staying up all night studying. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.